I'm doing a $50 Amazon gift card giveaway, so Christmas is coming. The thing is, you can't ask for a positive review. Show some gratitude for my customers. I also just had another order come through on Etsy. So I hear Amazon's doing a fall Prime Day this year, and let you know what the requirements are. Hello! I would say good morning, but it is actually 12:36. So, good afternoon, I guess. Normally, I am an early bird, but I went to bed late last night, so slept in is what we did. I value a good night's sleep, so here we are. I'm just making some brunch. I'm doing potatoes in the air fryer and some poached eggs. I have it every single day. And we're gonna get started on our workday. And I thought I would pick up the camera. We're gonna do a vlog style today. A day in the life of a full-time Amazon seller, or week in my life, haven't decided yet. So I will be starting out my day with packaging some manual orders that I got on Etsy. Normally I have Amazon fulfill my Etsy orders, but I have this one product that fits in what's called Canada Post letter mail. So it only cost me $2 to ship that product, and Amazon can't beat that. The only downside is that there's no tracking included, but you know, you win some, you lose some. And if you sell your product for under, I believe it's $15, and you don't provide tracking info on Etsy, it doesn't count against your Etsy Star Seller badge. So I'm going to get into packaging those, but first let's eat. So a benefit to these manual orders is I get to write a little thank you note. I just write them on the back of a business card, show some gratitude for my customers. And it also gives you the opportunity to include any stickers or freebies. Customers love that stuff. Just kidding, none of these are going Canada Post letter mail, they are all going international. I just did a trip to IKEA and I finally got 2 sets of Alex drawers for my desk. And can we just take a moment to appreciate how beautiful this is? Wow. What else we got in here? I have this notebook that says, "Only you can make it happen, because only you can make it happen." Slay! These drawers will be filled with more stuff, but for now, they remain empty. So I hear Amazon's doing a fall Prime Day this year, and I have no idea when that is. And I'm pretty sure I missed the deadline for submitting a promotion, but you can still run a Prime exclusive coupon, so I should probably do something about that. I'll reread the email and let you know what the requirements are. Okay, so here's the coupon section of the email. So if you want to create a Prime exclusive coupon, they want it to be 20% off current price. Your product must have a review rating of 3 stars or greater, or 0 stars is fine, I'm pretty sure, if you have no reviews. And then here are the placeholder dates that they want you to enter. This is not actually when the fall Prime Day is. The date still hasn't been announced yet, so they want you to put in these dates. And then it says must be targeted to Prime exclusive. So for a full tutorial on how to set up a Prime exclusive coupon, I have a tutorial on that, so I'll link it in the description box for you. Howdy. So it's a little while later now. It's 7:51. I'm on my 3rd hairstyle of the day because it was one of those days where I thought I could get away without washing it, and then I'm just like, why didn't I just wash it? But that's okay. Tomorrow was a new day. But I went to the post office to cook some food, and I've been editing this video you're watching now because I was just so excited to start working on it. I also just had another order come through on Etsy, and it's one of the products that I get Amazon to fulfill for me. So I thought we could hop onto my laptop and I'll show you how that works. Okay, so I have my Etsy order up here and I'm going to log into Amazon. And this order is going to Canada, so I'm selecting the Canada warehouse. I keep inventory in Amazon's Canadian and American warehouse. So find your product in your inventory and click Create Fulfillment Order. And then all we're going to do is copy and paste the Etsy info into the Amazon multi-channel fulfillment order, it's called. And I like to copy the Etsy order ID and paste it into the Amazon order ID. So then when I get the email saying that the order is shipped, it tells me what order it is, and then I can copy the tracking info in the email, paste it into the Etsy order details. And I like to include my own packing slip comment, just thanking them for their order and to please leave me a review. And then you can select the shipping speed and it gives you the pricing breakdown here. I always just click standard because it does arrive quick enough. Wow, so it says 22 days delivery, but Amazon tends to overshoot their estimated dates. It's not going to take 22 days. But as we get closer and closer to Christmas, Amazon really overshoots their dates like that. And I guess we're entering that season because I'm noticing on my Etsy, people are marking the orders as like this is a gift order. So Christmas is coming, even though I'm still living my best summer life at the moment. I did order a pumpkin cold brew the other day though. But anyway, so check that I copied everything over correctly. I put the order ID in and then you click place order. Perfect. And then I like to go back over to Etsy and click add a private note and I write requested fulfillment. so that I know that I placed the order within Amazon so you don't do it multiple times by accident. But since you do enter in the Etsy order ID into Amazon, if you were to do it again in Amazon, it would say this order ID already exists, so you can't accidentally do it more than once. But yeah. And I just had another one come through while I was filming this, so I'm going to go ahead and do that all over again. Hello. It's a few days later. I just made myself a pumpkin spice latte. I made the pumpkin sauce, I guess you would call it, from a recipe I found on Pinterest, and it's really good. I'll link it below. And let's see how this one turned out. I'm so excited. Oh, that's so good. So I have some restock of a product coming from Hong Kong, and I just got the message from DHL that I have to pay the duty, GST, customs clearance, all that, all those fees. So I just paid that off, and I printed out the paperwork so I can file it away, keep track of your receipts, so you don't hate yourself later. And once that product gets delivered, it's actually coming to my house instead of Amazon's warehouse, because this is a product that I can ship for $2 with Canada Post when I get Etsy orders. So I keep a stash here, and then I'm going to label them and then send them into Amazon for the Amazon orders. And then in theory, while I'm at it, I should send some stock into the American warehouse, so then I can use that warehouse to fulfill my US Etsy orders. So speaking of inventory and all that, I have a different product that I would like to open up the cases, quality control them, get out the packaging, barcode the packaging, put on the Made in China stickers, bundle the product, put it in the packaging, and get all that ready to go for Amazon. So let's get into that next. I'm going to finish my coffee first though. Okay, so I have my packaging here. They're these little baggies with the holographic vibe, black on the back. I got these from AliExpress. I like that there's no MOQ, minimum order quantity, with AliExpress, but I did end up ordering a whole bunch. This is just a fraction of it. I have these business cards, so this is a bit of a gray area. I do have my business info on the business cards. Not really supposed to do that with Amazon, so you just have to be careful about it. Just make sure you're not trying to direct the sale off of Amazon, because ultimately that's what they don't want you to do. But I have my email address on here, and they can email me if there's a problem with the product, which helps with dodging those negative reviews. So if someone has a problem with the product, then they can email me and I can help them with it and then fix their problem. And then, because some people, they just go and they just leave a review, negative review, because something's broken or whatever, and they don't give the brand a chance to replace the product or fix the problem. So that's what that's for. And then on the back, I have a little QR code on the back. So if the customer scans it, it directs them to their Amazon order page. And then they just have to scroll until they find the order of your product, and then they click leave a review. So I left steps on there telling them how to do it. And the thing is, you can't ask for a positive review, but you're allowed to ask for a review, just not a positive review, and you can't entice them with a free gift or something like that. And then last but not least, I have my sticker labels. These say designed and assembled in Canada, made in China, because having the country of origin displayed on your product is one of Amazon's requirements. And of course the Amazon FNSKU barcodes as well. All right, now let's get to packaging. By the way guys, I'm doing a $50 Amazon gift card giveaway on my last video, so if you want to enter, go and watch that. I will link it up here and I'll link it in the description below. I'm gonna end the video here. Let me know if you like this type of day in my life vlog type of video. If you do, I want to film more of them. It was really fun. My next video I already filmed. It's a demo with an expert from Helium 10 and we go over product research, product validation, and a couple tools. So that will be up soon. You don't want to miss that one. So make sure you turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I upload. Give the video a like, subscribe, all the things, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!